Test your credit knowledge. Does checking your own credit report affect your credit score? C. No, it doesn't affect your score. Is it possible to repair your credit yourself? A. Yes, you can repair your own credit. What is the purpose of a credit dispute letter? A. To challenge inaccurate info on your credit report. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more. Visit www.creditmoneymachine.com for a zero-knowledge professional results 15-second processing software. Schedule your private session at www.lmrcalendar.com today.